Hello and welcome to Alfie's videos. I am joined with South Coast Level Crossings.
Hello and welcome to South Coast Level Crossings. I'm joined by Alfie's videos.
We're at a new level crossing in this video. This is Northway.
This is Northway Level Crossing. It is in Northway, north of Tewkesbury, which is north of Cheltenham, which is in Gloucestershire, which is in the UK. And we're waiting for 1 Victor 54, which is a train from somewhere to somewhere.
Edinburgh to Plymouth.
I think I see it.
And that is one of my mates on the other side. There's 3 of us in this video.
It is the
Except the other one is absent in this video, but you can hear their voice.
It's a Newcastle to Plymouth train. It's actually going about 10 minutes late right now.
There we go, that was ex-Avanti Super Voyager, class 221112, on service from Edinburgh to Plymouth.